Some cars become popular. Some become legendary. But only a handful become immortal. And this is one of them. The 1972 Volkswagen Beetle may look small, simple, and even a little cute, but don't let its appearance fool you. Hidden behind this timeless shape is one of the greatest automotive success stories ever created. More than 20 million Beetles were built, making it one of the best-selling cars in history. Even after more than 5 decades, people around the world are still restoring them, collecting them, and proudly driving them on the streets. Here's something that surprises almost everyone. Open the front hood and you won't find an engine. Instead, you'll find a small luggage compartment. That's because Volkswagen placed the 1.6-liter air-cooled flat-4 boxer engine at the rear of the car. No radiator, no liquid cooling, just a brilliantly simple air-cooled design that became famous for its reliability. Producing around 60 horsepower, this Beetle was never meant to be the fastest car on the road. It was built to start every morning, handle long journeys, and keep running for years with very little maintenance. Sometimes, true engineering isn't about making the fastest car, it's about making one that simply refuses to quit. One glance at the Beetle, and you instantly know what it is. Those perfectly rounded fenders, the iconic circular headlights, the smooth curved roofline, and the classic chrome bumpers create a design that has never gone out of style. While many modern cars chase aggressive looks, the Beetle stands out by doing the exact opposite. It has a personality that feels welcoming, timeless, and unforgettable. It's one of those rare cars that can be recognized from almost any angle. Step inside and you'll discover a completely different driving experience. There are no giant touchscreens, no complicated controls, and no unnecessary distractions. Just a clean dashboard, a classic steering wheel, simple analog gauges, and a cabin designed with one purpose: to let the driver enjoy the road. Every gear change, every vibration, and every sound reminds you that you're driving a machine built in an era when cars were made to be felt, not just operated. The Beetle wasn't created to impress millionaires. It was built for ordinary people who wanted a dependable, affordable, and easy-to-maintain car. That simple mission turned it into a global icon. It appeared in movies, became part of popular culture, and earned a place in the hearts of millions. Today, owning a classic Beetle isn't just about having an old car, it's about preserving a piece of automotive history. The 1972 Volkswagen Beetle proves that greatness isn't always measured by horsepower or top speed. Sometimes, greatness is measured by the memories a car creates, the generations it inspires, and the smiles it still brings decades later. This wasn't just another car. It became a legend. And legends never go out of style.